So let's talk. Let's do one more example, and then we'll go on break. What I'm going to do is I am going to toss. Am I? Nah. Let's just leave it at this, and I'm going to make it so the user can input however many products that he wants, and then I'm going to display each one of the products. So I'm going to say, bool is entering product equals true. And remember, each one of these guys up here, line 9, 10, and 11, these are fields. I've said the word variable a couple times because it's a very similar concept, but it's important to understand that these are fields because they are a member of a class. Because there's not just one name. In fact, right now in this program, because I don't instantiate a single product, there are 0 names anywhere in this program. But if I instantiate a product, I get a name because it has a name in the definition. If I instantiate a second product, I have another name. And if I instantiate a third product, I have a third name, and so on and so on. That's why this is called a field, because it isn't a variable, although it behaves like one, because a variable is defined once, and that is the variable, and there's never any more of them. With a field is attached to a class, and you get a new instance of that field every time you instantiate the class. All right, let's go ahead and finish this example real fast. So I'm going to say something like string name, decimal price, bool in stock, console write line, enter product name, blank to stop. How about, or enter to stop, that'd probably look nicer. And then I don't want to write line, I want to write. Actually, I want to invert this. I like that more. Price equals, I'm not going to do any, I hope you guys are used to this right now. I'm not going to do any sort of decimal validation here. Although you would definitely want to if this were a application or real application. Console write. Oops. Actually, I'm not going to even do that. I'm going to consolidate this onto a single line because at this point you guys should be used to the in stock equals console read line equals 1. Products.add new product name price is in stock. Then I'm going to say console write line done gathering products. Printing. Oops, I keep on hitting that key for some reason. I don't know why. Okay. So here's an example of a program that allows the user to enter as many products as they want.